Good morning, children. Let's complete chapter 3, Mathematics. So, this is page number 54. Think and answer. Starting from 110, count backwards by skip counting in tens. Children, we have completed sums of skip countings, but now you have to complete this sum counting backwards, okay, and skip counting in tens. So this is like 110, then you have to count backwards in tens. So next one is 100, and then again subtract 10 from 100, and this is 90, then 80. Now complete the remaining boxes yourself. Next, number 2, a school bookshop has 26 mathematics books. The number of English books it has is 18 more than the mathematics books. And the number of Hindi books it has is 5 more than the English books. How many mathematics, English and Hindi books are there in the school bookshop? So children, you can see number of mathematics books is 26. Now number of English books is 18 more than the number of mathematics books. So number of English books is, so you have to write this in your copy, number of, write in this way, number of mathematics books, number of English books. So write number of English books, English book. You know what will be the number? 26 mathematics books and 18 more. So you have to add 18 with 26 to find out the number of English books. So add these two numbers and find out number of English books. Okay. In the same way, children, you have to find out the number of Hindi books, and you can see number of Hindi books is 5 more than the English book. So first calculate the number of English books here by adding up these two numbers, and then add 5 with this number to get the number of Hindi books. Okay, so try this one. आपको यहाँ पे बोला गया है कि मैथमेटिक्स बुक से 26 और इंग्लिश बुक है कितने, 18 मोर देन 26. तो मोर जहाँ पर भी रहेगा ना, वहाँ पे आप सोच लीजिए कि आपको ऐड करना है. तो मोर 18 मोर है, तो फिर नंबर ऑफ इंग्लिश बुक कितना है? 26 के साथ आपको 18 प्लस करना पड़ेगा, तब आपको इंग्लिश बुक का नंबर मिल जाएगा. और हिंदी बुक कितना बताया गया है? 5 मोर देन इंग्लिश बुक. तो यहाँ से आपको इंग्लिश बुक मिल जा रहा है, उसके साथ आपको फिर से 5 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आपको मिल जाएगा क्या? हिंदी बुक का नंबर. तो इसको आप कॉपी में सॉल्व कीजिए. नेक्स्ट, देयर वर 46 पैसेंजर्स इन अ बस. If 35 more passengers got into the bus, how many passengers are there in the bus now? So passengers in the bus, number of passengers at first was 35. New passengers, 46. 46. And then new passengers 35. Then add total and find out the total number of passengers. Okay. Next, children, worksheet. So children, you have to solve the worksheet yourselves. I'm going to discuss. First one, find the sums. So here you can see you have to find out the sums. This one is very easy. Next, number 2, add the following numbers mentally. Now children, you have to add these numbers mentally. Like, we have solved these types of sums in the given exercise. Now, so add this 26, then add 20. So first add 10 with 26, 36, and then again add 10, so 46. Okay, so in this way, 16. Now 8 is, 4 plus 4 equals 8. So first add 4 with 16, 20, and then again add 4. So this is 24. So in the same way, complete this one. Number 3, fill in the blanks. 24 plus 20 equals 20. So children, you can see 24 plus 20 is equals 20 plus 24. We know, in addition, if the order change, the result remains same. Now you have to add this and write the result here. Okay. So first add these two numbers and then write the result here. Number B, 35 plus 12 equals dash plus dash equals 47. So children, here change the order. 35 plus 12 equals 12 plus 35. Okay. In addition, changing order doesn't change the sum. Okay. Number C, dash plus 11 equals 11 plus 16 equals 27. You can see children, here you have to write 16. 16 plus 11 equals 11 plus 16. एडिशन में अगर ऑर्डर चेंज हो जाए, जैसे कि 16 प्लस 11, इसका जो है सम होगा 11 प्लस 16 का भी वो ही होगा. यानी आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ऑर्डर जो है वो चेंज हो गए, पर इससे क्या, इससे एडिशन का जो एडिशन करके आपको जो सम मिलेगा उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. ओके, वो सेम ही रहेगा. तो बाकी के सम्स आप सॉल्व कर लीजिए. नेक्स्ट, ऑब्जर्व द गिवन नंबर्स एंड फिल द ब्लैंक्स बाय स्किप काउंटिंग. So first look at the given numbers very carefully and find out the difference between them, and then you have to complete the remaining space. You can see 350, 355, 360. So the difference is 5. You can see the difference is 5. So write the remaining numbers, adding 5 with the previous one. Next one, number B, 812, 818, 824. So first find out the difference between the numbers. You can see children, 812 plus 6 equals 818, plus 6 equals 824. So you have to add 6 with 824 to get the next number. Complete the remaining sums. A class has 19 girls and 17 boys. How many students are there in the class? So here children, write the numbers 19 and 17 and add up the two numbers. So this we have completed chapter 3. In our next class, we will start chapter 4, that is about subtraction. Thank you.